Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning to the lecturers. We from the TRPL 18 team. Today we will introduce our project-based learning named Onicars. Onicars is a mobile-based car rental application. Before the presentation begins, it will be a good idea for me to introduce the members and contribution of each person on this team. Starting for me, I am Dinia Olefitri as analyst and my friend.
Okay, my name is Fauzan Haraski. I am back-end position.
I'm GB Amanda Putri as backend development.
My name is Cesar Fariza as a front-end developer.
My name is Sultan Muhammad Abdillah as a UI UX designer.
My name is Emma Satitri as analyst.
My name is Muhammad Fauzan as backend developer.
Okay, I will explain about general description of the software. Description: this application provides user with fast and vertical access to select, book, and manage car rental according to their needs. This car rental mobile application also provides convenience, efficiency, flexibility in the vehicle rental process, making it a popular solution for those who need temporary transportation. The objective: the car rental mobile application is technological innovation that aim to bring significant change to the car rental industry. The main goal of this application is to change the way car rental business operate, improve customer experience, and increase safety and efficiency in vehicle fleet management. The scope is user registration and login, driver data management, car loan management, transaction management, financial statements. Next is user characteristic. Following are some characteristics of user who might be able to use mobile-based rental application is rental owner. Rental owner have full access to the application, such as being responsible for the management of car rentals. Can make change to place through the application and monitor driver and rental activity. Second is driver. Driver have limited access to the app depending on their role. Third is customer. Customer have access to search and book cars by entering personal information and rental details.
Okay, next I can explanation about functional requirement and functional requirement. The first functional requirement F1, the system provide a registration menu. F2, login for user. F3, the rental owner is able to manage driver data. F4, the rental owner is able to manage customer data. F5, the rental owner is able to manage transaction data. F6, the system is capable of displaying rental information. F7, customer are able to make reservation. F8, customer is able to cancel the rental. F9, the system provide a feature. F10, the system provide a share feature. The last, the system provide a lock menu. Next, non-functional requirement. Parameter availability requirement. The system is capable of running 24 hours non-stop unless the system maintains or system updates. Reliability failures in the administration process have a maximum tolerance of time 24 hours. Ergonomy, the interface of the rental mobile application is easy for user to understand. Portability application is access platform Android. Response time, the application is able to send a response is no more than 10 seconds. Security penetration testing mobile application language using Indonesia.
Okay, I will explain the use case diagram first. Customer can register, customer can come in, customer can manage driver data, customer can transaction data, customer can view information rent car, customer can order, customer can cancel to order rent car, customer can provide filter feature, customer can provide a search feature, customer can log out. Rental owner can register, rental owner can login, rental owner can manage driver data, rental owner can transaction data, rental owner can view information rent car, rental owner can order, rental owner can cancel order, rental owner can provide filter feature, rental owner can search feature, rental owner can log out. Use case scenario: identification number 006, name display car rental info, description. This use case describe the user or actor process in viewing information about car rental in the system. Actor: customer, rental owners. Initial condition: the user has logged into the system. Final condition: user can view car rental info according to their request. Main scenario: number 1, user open the car rental info page. Number 2, the system display a list of available car rental. Number 3, user select the car rental they want to see information about. Number 4, the system display complete detail about the select car rental. Alternative scenario: number 1, rental inaccessible. The system provides an error message or information that the rental is not available. Number 2, user User cancel action. User can choose to return without seeing the rental info. Identification number F007, name car rental booking, description rental car booking, author customer rental owners, initial condition customer on ordering app, final condition the order is successful, the car is ready or not. Alternative scenario number 1, the customer order the car on the booking page, select the rental type and date. Number 2, the system check availability. Number 3, customer find in personal and payment information. Number 4, the system inform the order. Number 5, the car rental driver prepare the car. Alternative scenario number 1, payment or technical problem when ordering. Number 2, change of booking date or time. Number 3, rental driver face problem preparing the car. Number 4, system problem that require manual handling.
Okay, this time I will explain the ER diagram. The data in the following ER diagram from the Firestore or Firebase database. Type the database I use is the NoSQL. I started from the user entity, which has a user ID is the primary key and several other attributes. User entity have relation many to one to the cars entity. The cars entity have ID is the primary key and user ID is the foreign key. Cars entity have relation one-to-one to the promo entity. Promo entity have the ID. ID is the primary key and ID car is the foreign key. Payments entity have relation many to one the entity cars. Payments entity have the ID is the primary key, user ID is the foreign key, and the several other attributes. Next, payment entity have relation many to one. Driver entity have the ID is the primary key and several other attributes.
Database implementation results. We using database with Firebase. Why? Why we use database with Firebase? Because the use of Firebase in application database is a primary choice for various reasons. Firebase provides us well-managed database solution offering high speed and scalability as well as easy integration with various platforms. Additionally, Firebase real-time database features allows, for instance, data synchronization for among users, creating a responsive and interactive user experience. By leveraging Firebase, developers can also save time and resources by avoiding the need to directly manage server infrastructure, as Firebase handles this aspect automatically. Okay, next, application implementation results. In the application homepage admin, on the homepage there is a summary of car rental services, a display of the latest offers, car promos, and available cars. Car details admin. Complete information about available cars, be it photo specification, facilities, and reviews, and others. Edit car. Modify the reservation or car details. Change the car name, price, and other options.
Okay, I will explain project and course contribution. Subject administrasi sistem komputer, contribution to that. This course is required to design and implement service on servers to support application implementation work. The result of the contribution display is attached below. Next, subject fisika dasar, contribution to that. This course is need to integrate basic concepts such as point coordinates and the use of shore in application implementation work. As a result of the contribution display is attached below. Okay, next slide. Okay, subject interaksi manusia komputer, contribution to that. This course is required to implement UI UX design based on user-friendly principle which are test stroke simple testing. The result of the contribution display is attached below. Subject pengujian perangkat lunak, contribution to that. This course aims to test software that has been created using one of the testing methods such as block testing or white box testing and document it. The result of the contribution display is attached below. I will explain project and course contribution. Subject pemrograman perangkat bergerak. Contribution to that. This course is required to implement a framework based on requirement, namely Flutter and Dart. Subject proyek pengembangan aplikasi mobile. Contribution to that. This course is made to document the results of application work such as requirement document, presentation, and collaboration between teams. Next subject, keamanan basis data. Contribution to that. This course is required to apply database security concept which include database user control, data injection, data encryption, and method security according to requirement. So that's all the presentations from our group. If there are any shortcoming or mistakes, please forgive. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.